We chose Kitome because of the design of this particular house. I researched a lot of different designs, and we have a particular situation here. We wanted a long house, not very wide, so it fitted along the ridgeline. We wanted something with the creek facing, so we could take advantage of the views, and a large veranda as well. Several things. We were looking for, we wanted a large open area for living area, which is what this one's got. Also wanted the long, narrow style of floor plan that fitted along the ridge. I didn't want to do a cut and fill sitting on top of the ridge because that reduces the height of the building and tends to reduce your view. So putting it on stumps, adjustable stumps, was ideal, and Kitome provided a very substantially designed flooring system to fit on these stumps. It was quite sturdy, and also we wanted the big wraparound veranda and the extra wide veranda to give plenty of room for entertaining, I guess, and to take advantage of the views.
I think the shape of the house here really lent itself because we really wanted to be able to look at views as much as we could, and that shape really got us in. It was one of the first things that attracted us.
Yeah, with the rounded end on it, you get basically a 270-degree view around the whole area. The design process with Kitome was quite good. We didn't have any issues. We wanted to make a number of changes to the floor plan. One was the pantry. Rather than just a single door, we wanted to have a walk-in sort of semi-butlerless pantry. That design was no problem, and of particular importance was this circular end. The original design only had 2 windows and a sliding door. We wanted to open the whole area, be able to open the whole area out, so we got them to change that. It took some significant design work to do that, which they did at no extra expense, and gave us the opportunity to actually open the whole area out to the veranda.
Yeah, Kitome's been very accommodating in that respect, and they've had lots of communication backwards and forwards as we made the changes, so there's been absolutely no issues. It's been quite easy, hasn't it?
There was also some extra issues being on the top of the ridge here. Normal building standards, wind rating of N3. We had to design to N4, so they had to modify the structure to take account of that extra wind. And also because we're in a bushfire rating area, there were some extra requirements required for that as well. woe to go. I owner-built the whole project, but I had two carpenters help me to get the building to lock-up stage. So that was doing the stumps and the framework and external cladding, etc. But all the internal fit-out, I've all done that myself. There were no issues with that at all. The only deliveries were quite prompt and on time. We only had one issue where the roof sheeting was short supplied. A chat with the customer services area, they confirmed that that was short supplied, and within a couple of days the missing material was here, and they threw in a few extra ones as well.
Well, my favourite part
Boss.
is the kitchen and this open living area. I really love all of it, but this is the exceptional part because I just feel that that kitchen is amazing, and the big pantry is just, I've finally got some room and I can organise things, and yeah, it's just been amazing.
And my best part is the veranda, because I'm going to sit out there and enjoy the view when I retire. Yes, I had no hesitation in recommending Kitome. The quality of the material was top quality. The windows, the insulation, the timber, they didn't skimp on anything. In fact, there was ample quantity of everything you required, and it wasn't cheap stuff, it was good quality material as well.
Really good service, really happy with it all.